Here's Lady Marmalade. She has lights on the sides and on the back top, and Mike is cutting some space for the brake lights and turn signals and running lights. It's exciting. You can kind of see her work up here. Let me zoom out. We are, as you can tell, out of the desert and into the humidity. I've patched up all along some seams and some areas where there was wood showing still, and hopefully we'll get rid of like some of these lines and whatnot. What I used is this tape, and it seems to be pretty sticky, so we'll see how it goes. And a beautiful window. It's very secure. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about how this is already shaping up. See the inside, she's all sorts of framed. There's a floor. Yeah, we're gonna do some more work. So what we're gonna do next is we're going to take, where's that other stuff I just had in my hand? Oh, this stuff, let's see. So I used this tape, and then, you know, I covered some of these with the metal stuff, and then I still have like all these little holes to cover and kind of smooth these out. And we're going to use this, and this isn't like an advertisement, it's just what I'm using, so you can decide if it looks like, well, yeah, if someone wants to pay us if it looks good, and if it looks like shit, you can decide not to use this. So that's what we're gonna use to smooth it out and fill in the little like nail holes and things like that, and then go around it. It's a mess. It's a mess, but we're gonna go around it with this. Also like the windows and things. Yeah, and then I've got some new paint. Woo woo! She's gonna be pretty. Lady Marmalade. Here we go. we've been working. Lights, work, on. We're all taped up here, ready to be painted. The floor on the inside is waterproofed, sealed. And let's see, I'll show you what we used if I can find it. Here we go. This stuff ended up being amazing. Like, it's thick, it's awesome. Hopefully it's also awesome at keeping waterproof, like water out. I'm gonna use it underneath the trailer too, on the bottom. So it's gonna be on top and on the bottom of my floorboards. So fingers crossed, but it was really easy and filled in the cracks really well, and it's awesome so far. Okay, also today we're gonna be laying these like tiles, laminate, I guess vinyl tiles down so that we can start you know, putting stuff on the floor, like the battery, the water tanks. I'm gonna have a wall here, so I just wanted to lay the floor down first because it's a pain to go around things. As you can see, it said I got as much as I could used or whatever. What's crazy is, if you remember, the tile that was on there and I pulled up was this, and I'd already ordered this. And this was like the exact amount that I needed that was used. So it was kind of like meant to be restored. So here we go. Of the last piece.
Well, it's not in yet.
Oh, well, I'm videoing it. The laying of the last piece. Oh, I see. Okay. But anyway, when that gets done, I have...
Anyway, I'm not videoing that anymore. Fuck that. It's taking too long.
Look at this. Look at this floor. Isn't it awesome? I mean, it didn't take us all day or anything. It's not dark out. Is there a song, an appropriate song for this?
The Floorland song?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Put right. I don't know. I always think of Jim Croce when I think of a working man's music.
Ooh, the last piece. It fits. It's in.
It's tight, but
it's tight. It looks tight. Oh, look, Sadie. This is your home. Do you like it? Are you a good girl? Hi, honey.
it's good.
She approves. Sadie approved. It's Sadie approved.